is not only these days, this is not a new trend. And जे आज गोंयान घडटा, that we were known, आमगेली एक गोंयकारागेली एक युनिक आयडेंटिटी आसताली. सगळे धर्माचे जावं क्रिस्तांव, हिंदू, मुस्लिम भाव आमी सदांच एकठांय रावन इतली वर्सां जाली. We have stayed together as one brothers and sisters. But what is happening today, and I believe that this cannot happen without the hand of the current government. कित्याक आज जे communal disharmony जी घडटा, and the way it is being spread, it is being promoted by this BJP Pramod Sawant Sarkar. I say this because if you look, there are these elements, and election होणे हेच जाता. Goa never had such communal disharmony. We were known for our communal harmony, and it is a sorry state of affairs. It is a failure in the part of the intelligence in terms of the law and order situation. The Home Department and all of them are all sleeping. There are no proactive measures taken. I demand that before the situation goes from bad to worse, because आमी गोंयकार सदांच एकमुखाक मान दिवन येयलोले आहाय आनी एकवटान आमी सदांच मुखार सरलो आहाय. पूण do not test the patience of Goa and Goans, because it is going to become a situation of bad to worse. I don't want to politicize on these communal tensions, but this is not in good shape. The Chief Minister, the DGP, the Home Ministry should act with stern measures. They should work to the extent of banning certain people who have been doing this sort of disharmony. A communal disharmony korpak, ek je amka divide korpak. Zatte badal, because the elections are far approaching. After the elections, these elements are not seen. Now the parliamentary elections are seen. This is one of the ploy used by the BJP government to divide and rule. This is how they have ruled. But Goans, I appeal to all Goans that we should not fall prey to such tactics, divisive jumlas done by the BJP government.
So the crime rate also has increased.
Now see, the crime rate, everything has increased. The situation is from bad to worse. प्रत्येक जो मंत्री हा तो मुखेल मंत्री पासून वागता. प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंट. You look at law and order situation. You look at what is happening in the TCP department. You look at what is happening in the health department. You look what is happening in the home department. You look at the corruption that is happening in various departments. So there is a complete collapse, and it is high time that Goa and Goans need to give a befitting reply to this dictatorial attitude of this government.